Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for financial aid in Coursera so you can access world-class education, earn professional certificates, and advance your career without the burden of high costs in 2026. Let's get into it. First, locate your desired course. The first step is finding the specific material you want to master. Not every piece of content on Coursera offers aid, so you need to look in a very specific spot. Use the search bar at the top of the Coursera homepage to find your course. Once you're on the course description page, look for the small, blue, Financial Aid Available hyperlink right next to the Enroll for Free button. Click that link to open the introductory pop-up. In 2026, many learners accidentally hit Enroll first. If you start a free trial or enroll before applying, your aid application may be automatically canceled. Clicking the dedicated Financial Aid Available link ensures you are entering the correct application funnel from the start. Next, start the application and choose your course. Once you trigger the pop-up, you'll need to confirm which part of a specialization you are applying for, as aid is usually handled on a course-by-course basis. Click Continue to the application. If the course is part of a specialization, you will be prompted to select the specific course, like Course 1 of 5. Check the boxes to agree to the terms and type the required phrase, such as, "I agree to the terms above," exactly as shown. In 2026, Coursera limits you to 10 active applications at a time. By selecting one course at a time, you manage your application quota effectively. Typing the confirmation phrase is a security measure to ensure you've read the honor code and are committed to completing the work. Lastly, fill out your background and income. Now you need to provide the why behind your request. This section helps Coursera determine the level of discount or aid you qualify for. Fill in your educational background, like high school, college, your annual income in USD, and your employment status. In the box asking how much can you pay for the course, if you truly cannot afford it, you can enter $0. Transparency is key in 2026. Coursera uses these metrics to distribute resources fairly based on geographical location and economic standing. If you are a student or currently between jobs, being honest here ensures your application is routed to the correct review team. This is the most critical part of the 2026 guide. You must write 2 short essays that meet a minimum word count of 150 words each. Explain why you are applying for aid. Mention your current financial situation and why this specific certificate is out of reach right now. Explain how this course will help you achieve your career goals. And that's pretty much it. To apply for financial aid in Coursera 2026, find the Financial Aid Available link on the course page, select your specific course, and fill out the background info. Write 2 150-word essays explaining your need and goals, then submit and wait 16 days for approval. Remember to avoid free trials during the wait so you don't lose your chance at a free certificate. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.